In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps required to download an assignment, complete the assignment, save the assignment, and then upload the assignment. There have been a number of pitfalls that my students have encountered in the past, so I figured that if I go over this nice and clearly, hopefully everything will go easier for you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is download the assignment, and you know the assignment is here because it's underlined. So here we're going to click on this and open up this assignment. And here it is. Here's your assignment. I think the easiest way to do it is actually just to do the assignment on the assignment sheet. So here is where I will write my brilliant essay. I'm not going to write a whole essay because I'm sure you don't feel like sitting here and watching me write it. So let's just imagine that I've written out my essay and now I'm ready to save it. So to save the essay, I'm going to go up into File, and you'll see that I have two options. One is Save and one is Save As. And I highly advise that you use Save As, not Save. Because sometimes when you save the file, you don't know where the file gets saved, and then you can't find it, or sometimes students will upload the version of the document where the work doesn't appear. And that just leads to me having to say you uploaded the wrong document, and then you having to go and re-upload the document, and you know, who needs to do that extra stuff? So instead, click Save, and let's name the essay. So I'm going to name it Alexine's Diagnostic Essay, and I would like to save it to my desktop. So I can see here that it's not giving me the desktop option, so I can do a search for desktop. And sure enough, here it is. So now I'm going to save, and you can't see the save button. It's over to the right of the screen and it's blue and it says save. So click it. And now I have saved Alexine's Diagnostic Essay onto my desktop. So now I'm going to shut it down and go over to here where it says Submit Assignment. So I will click my assignment, click on Submit Assignment, and I need to browse to find my diagnostic essay. Now you're going to see how many things are on my desktop, a lot of things. But in this case, this is the one I need, Alexine's Diagnostic Essay. It was easy to find because I remembered the name of it. I open it up and I submit it. And now I know that my essay has been submitted. So again, remember that when you're saving, use Save As. Remember to name your document something that you'll remember so that you could find it. And good luck. If you have any questions, I'm around, okay?